Scotty doesn't know that Fiona and me do it in my van every Sunday. She tells him she's in church, but she doesn't go. Still she's on her knees, and Scotty doesn't know. Oh, Scotty doesn't know. So don't tell Scotty. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Fiona says she's out shopping, but she's under me and I'm not stopping. Cause Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. So don't tell Scotty. Scotty doesn't know. I can't believe he's so trusting, while I'm right behind you thrusting. Fiona's got him on the phone, yeah, she's trying not to moan. It's a three-way call and he knows nothing, nothing. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Don't tell Scotty, cause Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. So don't tell Scotty. We'll put on a show, everyone will go. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. The parking lot, why not? It's so cool when you're on top. His front lawn in the snow, laughing so hard cause Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. I did her on his birthday.